Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the JBL Endurance BT, which it's a really kind of great amazing product from JBL, which it's really kind of nice. The benefits or the thing about this kind of JBL Endurance BT, it's all about sports activity. Whoa, here we have it. As you can see guys, this is the Endurance BT, which it's a really kind of great and amazing kind of product from JBL. Never hot, never fall out. As you can see guys, it's really kind of great and amazing kind of product from JBL, and they're really good for sports activity. Let us just unbox it and test it out and see what's happening on this kind of bad boy. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the JBL Endurance Run, and we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside. Whoa, nice packaging. I like that. It's really awesome. Nice and smooth, nice and clean. Let me just open it up. I'm gonna keep this one first of all aside, and you get some extra buds. Impressive. Paperwork, never run out of paperwork. So these are like paperworks which you can just read them and get some info throughout this kind of Endurance Run BT, which it's really impressive. As you can see guys, at the back of this kind of earphones, you can see that there is a charging cable, which it's a micro USB charging cable, which it's really kind of great. And extra buds, are they extra or is it the earphones? The earphones buds which they're here, which it's impressive. So you can just push them this way and push them out and remove them just this way. So let me just do this way one time. Now guys, as you can see, it's really kind of great thing throughout this kind of Endurance Run, and they're really kind of impressive. I like the way they kept this kind of rubber material because they won't fall out as how they stated, and I like the way they kept this kind of bigger button, which it's a media controller which you can play, pause and do whatever, which it's really kind of awesome. The port here, it's really kind of great thing. They kept the port here, which it's really impressive. I wish it could be Type-C, but it's a micro USB cable for charging it, which is quite not bad. You can see on this kind of side, it's just this way. It looks like a JBL Tune 115 BT, but this, it's a little bit kind of different, but it's really kind of great thing throughout the form factor, and it's really awesome. Now it's time to turn them on and test them on and see how much they spark. Okay guys, I think it's the time to just test them on and see what's happening in here. This is the right, so it just stays here, and you can see, you just keep them here in your ears, which it's really kind of great thing. As you can see guys, they're really perfect fitting. You can see they're really good fitting. They just fitted me well, perfect. Even if I nod my head so many times, it doesn't come out. It's true what they stated. It will never fall out. Whenever, even if you get hurt or something or whatever happens in the road, this kind of bad boy, they won't fall out. It's a really great thing. Yeah. Ooh.
With this feeling,
to be honest, the Endurance Run BT, they do the thing. They're really impressive. They're really awesome. In terms of music side, from the scale of 10 to 0, I give this kind of bad boy 9. They're really good. To be honest, they're really good. And in terms of basically bass, I keep on talking about bass, but the bass side, it's really not that much, but it's way there, because sometimes you're out there running, you just don't need too much of bass. You just need to finish up your workout and you're done, so as you can continue with another pace, which it's really kind of impressive. So this kind of Endurance Run BT, they're really awesome for you, and yeah, that's what's up. Speaking about specification on this kind of bad boy, they give you up to 6 hours of playback of music, which is really kind of awesome. IPX rated sweat-proof construction, which it's really great, and the flex soft ear tips and twist lock technology, which it's really impressive throughout this kind of bad boy. Two-way flip hook design, and a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and magnetic earbuds, inline controls of music and calls, remote access to Google Now or Siri, 3 pairs of ear tips included, which it's really kind of awesome. Question comes, are Endurance Run for you? Or okay, you might be asking yourself, I'm kind of like not into sports activity, so I'm not even running, but I'm just want good music. Well, this probably it's not for you. I recommend the JBL Tune 125 BT if you're that kind of person who doesn't love to do the sports, to do the activities, you just something pace minimal. I don't know. if it's your thing, go for JBL Tune 125BT. But if you're a sports person, well, I recommend these kind of bad boys. They're really good. Endurance run, they're really good for sports, and they're really awesome because even if you're sweating, they won't let that kind of sweat get inside or squeeze. You know, sometimes you're out there working out. What happens, I've noted so many times, even me, when sometimes I'm cycling, I have my earphones in my ears, and what happens is just that they slip. Phew, they go down. So these kind of bad boys, they won't do that. They stick in your ears frequently up to you're done with your activity and you're good to go. So what's up, guys? Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the endurance run. Is it something for you? Are you looking forward for a BT Bluetooth earphones, earbuds, which they're really minimal? I recommend you this kind of endurance run if you're a kind of person who loves sports activity, going out there, doing this and that, which is really awesome. Yeah, I recommend the endurance run. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.